Hi, my name is Kelly and I'm with the Texas Department of Insurance, Division of Workers' Compensation. At the Division of Workers' Compensation, we have a dispute resolution process, and there are a few steps in that process. The first step is trying to resolve the dispute by calling the insurance company. If you are not able to resolve the dispute, you need to contact the division. When you file a request for a benefit review conference, this lets the division know that there is a dispute, and dispute resolution begins. A benefit review conference is a meeting to help resolve disputes. You can ask for a benefit review conference by using Form DWC-045, which is called a request to schedule, reschedule, or cancel a benefit review conference. This form is found at the Employee Forms link at tdi.texas.gov/WC/employee. At the benefit review conference, we will talk about what issues there are and what information we need to try and resolve those disputes. There will be a benefit review officer there who is an impartial employee of the division trained to help parties resolve disputes. When you fill out the form to ask for a benefit review conference, you need to include a short description of the issue you are having and proof that you tried to resolve it yourself. If you have been calling the insurance company to try and resolve your dispute, write down dates and times you called them and conversations that you had. You would use that as proof that you tried to solve things on your own. Once the division approves your request for a benefit review conference, the meeting will be scheduled in one of our many offices throughout the state. You will go to the office that is closest to the mailing address we have on file for you. For each issue that there is a dispute about, a benefit review officer may allow up to 2 benefit review conferences. If the dispute can't be resolved during these 2 meetings, then the dispute will go on to a contested case hearing. A contested case hearing is a formal hearing held in one of our offices where both sides present evidence. An administrative law judge who is an employee of the division will listen to the testimony and issue written decisions. If parties are not happy with the administrative law judge's decision, they can appeal that decision to the appeals panel. An appeals panel of 3 judges reviews the administrative law judge's decision. The appeals panel can only review evidence heard during the contested case hearing. They cannot review new evidence. The contested case hearing decision may become final, may be reversed, or the appeals panel may send the case back to another contested case hearing for more review. If parties are still unhappy with the appeals panel decision, they may ask for a district court judge to review the decision. They would file this with a court in the county where the injury or death happened. It must be filed with the court and the division at the same time and sent to each party involved in the issue. An injured employee must go to certain events when ordered by the division. Those events may include a designated doctor exam, a required medical exam, a benefit review conference, or a contested case hearing. You'll know when you have to go to one of these because you will receive an order in the mail from the division letting you know. If you have questions, you can always call our customer service department at 800-252-7031, option 1. We can tell you what you are required to go to and if it's something you can do by phone. This is why it's important that we always have your correct address and phone number on file. Keep in mind that you can hire an attorney at any time, or you can get free help from an ombudsman through OIC, the Office of Injured Employee Counsel. OIC is a separate state agency that can help you if you do not have an attorney. They can help explain the dispute resolution process, prepare you for meetings, and make sure you have the paperwork you need. OIC cannot look at your private claim information unless you allow it. The ombudsman who works at OIC also cannot give legal advice and cannot make decisions or sign agreements for you, but they can answer questions you have and help you understand what you need during the dispute resolution process. If you have questions for OIC, contact that agency directly by calling 866-393-6432. For more information on dispute resolution in the Texas Workers' Compensation System, go to tdi.texas.gov/WC/employee. or call our customer service number for more information at 800-252-7031, option 1.